Hello and welcome to I2I Gurukul. This session will guide you through the unboxing of Smart Vision glasses. This device comes well packaged and it includes the user guide. This user guide has contains the how to connect the device and manufacturing details. In this box, you have a Smart Vision glass plus device mounted on the spectacle frame, which has an camera and flashlight and the 5 function keys to operate this for multiple functions. So these are the 5 multiple operation keys, and it has the support band for the children to ensure the best fit while wearing the device. Also, it has USB-C to micro USB converter and extra earplugs. This is again USB to B converter connector and the wireless earphones with the neckband. These all accessories will get in this box. Friends, I would encourage you to subscribe and stay connected with us for upcoming engaging contents. Thank you for your kind attention.